Begin by finding a comfortable position, preferably with the spine lengthened, and let the eyes gently begin to close. Slowly bringing your focus to your breath. As you begin to observe its organic flow. Witnessing the air passing in and back out of the body. As relaxation begins to set in, breathing in and breathing out. Within this space of further relaxation, and with this focus on your breath, visualize your breath as a gentle breeze. Breathing in this breeze with each inhale, and accelerating the breeze with each exhale. Allowing the mind and the breath to connect with the wind's natural energies and flow. Continuing with this breath, breathing in and breathing out. With your focus on your breath, and with this connection to the wind, visualize yourself standing in a lush field of grass at the threshold of a forest. You see the dense tree line ahead of you, and notice a pathway where you can enter the dense forest. You know you are safe in this forest simply by the way you feel. And you know this path is offering a deep connection to nature. You begin to walk toward this path and enter the threshold out of the field and into the forest. The pathway feels soft beneath your feet, and you begin to notice the healing energies of the forest. As you walk further down the path, you notice the trees begin to sway from a slow but strong wind. You know this wind is calling to you, and you begin to feel its connection, just as you did with your breath. And you know with each breath you take, you are inhaling the nurturing wisdom of the wind. You begin to bring your focus more intensely on your breath. As you continue deeper into this dense forest, and as you walk further down the lush pathway and deeper into the woods, you reach a large clearing where the pathway ends. In the center of this clearing, you notice a small garden pagoda. And in this pagoda, there are many seats and cushions. As you walk towards the pagoda, you enter its ancient wooden structure and lay down on the cushions. As you do, you feel the wind begin to pick up, and you hear the trees bending and swaying with each gust. This wind blows through the pagoda, and you feel it blowing through you. With each gust, it releases any stress, any tension, or anything low frequency that you've carried with you into this forest. This wind is intelligent and nurturing. And as each gust removes these tensions, it simultaneously nourishes you. After some time sitting in this wind, you feel it begin to die down. And notice the trees begin to still. You notice how different you feel in your body. And also notice the sun beginning to set. You know there is just enough time for you to wind and weave your way back out of this forest. So you slowly begin to walk back down the path. And with imperfect timing, you reach the threshold where the field meets the woods, and exit the woods back into the grassy field. As you stand in the field, You notice the moon begin to rise. And you feel its moonbeams on your face. As the you in the visualization reconnects with the you in the present moment. Letting the breath bring you back. As you slowly begin to open the eyes, and with time, bring gentle movement back into the physical body. Thanking yourself for showing up here today. Using the wind as a guide. And remembering to visit this meditation as often as you feel needed.